Radharani is now feeling the epitome of, can you even imagine? Our gamut of emotions, or our experience of love and feelings and emotions is extremely limited, practically minuscule compared to the vast panorama of emotions and feelings and that the gopis and Krishna feel together. So Radharani, each word is so deep and so amazing. Vidate, 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 pratyuham kim iha bhavita hanta sharanam. We have another translation in this other book. O Lalite, Radharani is speaking to Lalita Sakhi. Krishna is now happily enjoying transcendental lila in Mathura. Without me, Krishna is very happy. But for me, this springtime brings pain at every step and from every direction. Alas, Hanta Hanta, my enemy, my Vairini, the impossible hope that maybe Krishna will return has become a great obstacle. It appears that this translation in front of us has been taken from this book, which was translated 20 years before. Very interesting. Should be a little more creative in our translations. We often read Shastras, and practically every time we retranslate the verses to make them more correct to our understanding and to the actual Sanskrit meaning. Oftentimes we find in Shastras the Sanskrit translation or Bengali translation is mixed with the commentary. There's a name for that, I forget. Bhavanovad or something. Bhavanovad translation, where the Sanskrit is telling one thing, but then in the translation you mix your idea and commentary. It's done by many. So this is the Proshita Bhartrika. There's not a lot said. Can finish the next one, it's the same word. Swadhina Bhartrika, verse 91, chapter 5. No. It's actually chapter 4, I believe. I've been saying chapter 5. Yeah, chapter 4. No. Yeah, the heading is wrong. I got confused. Making books that it's supposed to be chapter 5, the Sakhi Prakar, varieties heroines, but then it says description of Radha, which is chapter 4, and then before that it says varieties of heroines. They spaced out. So I'm not the only one that makes mistakes like that. Verse 91. Swadhina Bhartrika, this is the last type of Nayaka, Gopi lover of Krishna. This is, Radharani is usually characterized as, although she exhibits all these different moods that we're just hearing in the previous verse, number 90, that Radharani is showing the Naika Bhav of Proshita Bhartrika, lamenting and crying in separation from Krishna, who has gone to a far distant place, 8 kilometers away to Mathura or Dwarka.